Hello my friends, today we are going to talk about this crazy contraption. This is the best system for vlogging right now that is for beginners, and it's a tripod, a microphone, an iPhone, and a handy mirror so you can see your screen if you decide to vlog and video yourself using the rear camera, which those are the best cameras that are on the iPhones these days. So let's break down these items and see what we are using to create this cool device that could be used as a selfie stick or just as a tripod for your filming if you're filming on tabletop like I'm doing right now. Let's start with the tripod. The tripod I chose, it's a Ulanzi MT16. And this is a tiny little thing. It's just about this small. It almost fits in your pocket. When you buy this tripod, it also comes with a cell phone holder, and it comes with mounting for a GoPro if you decide to use a GoPro instead, and a little shutter remote for your iPhone or your camera. Now, this is really easy. You take this, phone mount and you attach it to your tripod. And then I will tell you why I chose this tripod and what I like about it. It is very, very affordable. It is a tripod that the legs open up onto a tripod, as you can see over here. It is pretty sturdy for as small as it is. It also extends, has a telescopic rod in the middle, so you can use it as a selfie stick. Let me just put it on the table here. It has a ball head, so you can adjust the camera angle however you need to do so. And then another cool thing about this tripod is that the mount has two cold shoe adapters. One is on the top and one is on the side. And that really helps if you need to, attach lights and microphones and so on. Now let's build this setup and see how do we build it up. I have the tripod, I have the phone mount. I will put my phone into it. This is an iPhone 13 Pro with a case. And then I need to attach a microphone. For the microphone, I chose to go with this Rode Video Micro. This is a very affordable, great beginner microphone because it is a small and the audio from it is really, really good. Now, in order to attach this microphone to my phone, I will have to use this little adapter. So I will place that into my phone and place the microphone into it, and now I will attach this thing over here onto the side. Just like that. I'm gonna tighten it up. And now we have a little setup with our camera, and we also have our microphone. Now there's one more thing we can use for this setup, and that is if you decide to use your rear camera, because we all know the phones have the best cameras in the back. If you decide to use your rear camera, then the big problem with that is that you cannot see yourself. You do not know if you're into focus. You do not know if you're into frame. So I found this really cool gadget. This is a tiny mirror with a cold shoe. And if you attach this to your camera like so, in this case to the phone holder, you can use it for a DSLR just like this, and it works really, really well. I use it with my A7R4 that does not have a flippy screen, and this cheap little mirror does the job. You can see yourself into it. And now that I have my mirror mounted, let me turn on my phone just so I can see what is happening. And now that I have this mounted, I just have to angle the mirror. I don't know if you can see on the camera. It's hard for me to tell if you're able to see or not. But this little mirror now is reflecting whatever is on the screen of my phone. And that way you are able to vlog and video with the best camera that you have on your phone and still be able to see yourself and, make sure everything looks good. Now, this is pretty much the complete setup, but I have one more thing that I wanted to show you. So, like I said before, as a recap, this is the MT16 tripod. There's the mirror, by the way, it's called Nicey Rig. It looks like that, the box. I'll put everything in the description below. And then we have the Rode microphone. Now, if you want to upgrade this system to something that maybe it's a little bit better, I do have this kind of phone mount. It's still from Ulanzi, and I will show you why I like that phone mount better. Let me just take off all this stuff and just look at the phone mount, because I think you would like that one a lot better. The one that comes with the tripod is really good, don't take me wrong, it works great. But the problem is, it doesn't really, you have the ball head so you can adjust the angle of it. You know, if you want to put it like this, you can, for, you know, use it with the selfie stick. But the problem is there's not much adjustments you can do with it. And also you cannot take portrait orientation for your stories or reels. So I'm going to take out this mount and I will put on the other one, and I'll show you why the other one is better. First of all, it's more solid. It is all metal, where the other one is plastic that comes with the tripod. And I am going to mount this. Great. And now that I have it mounted, this, can you see it? I feel like it's not in the frame. I'm not using my monitor, so I can't really see myself in there. All right, so this is the attachment, and it has two dials. It has this twisty dial over here and this red dial. The red one, it will lock it and unlock it. If you unlock it, then you can stretch it to attach your phone. So I will do that right now, just like that. And then you can lock it so it's safe and secure. And then this twisty one, just make sure it doesn't spin, so it is leveled. And this way you can take a landscape orientation videos. But then if you want to take portrait orientation, you will unlock this spinny one, and then you can set up your phone and take reels and stories and so on. So that's why I think this phone mount, it's better. It's a little bit more solid, a lot more solid. Like I said, it's all metal. I use it with the Ulanzi tripod, and I love it. If you have not seen the review of that carbon fiber tripod, the Ulanzi and Common, go see that, because it's a great, great tripod. So this makes for a better setup, and you still have the hot shoe. Actually, this one has two of them, so you have one on each side. So you could put your microphone on one side, you could put the light on the other side, and then still have one for your mirror if you need, and so on. I hope this was helpful to you. I know that buying video gear could be nerve-wracking. You never know what works, what doesn't, what's the best, what's not so great. But this setup really, really works, especially for someone that is just starting with vlogging or with YouTubing. And I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skyler Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.